When your Greenworks 24-volt battery won't charge or shows a blinking red light, this typically indicates a charging fault or recognition problem. Let's walk through the most effective troubleshooting steps. First, let's understand what the LED indicators on your Greenworks charger mean. A blinking red light indicates a charging fault, or that the charger doesn't recognize the battery as valid. The first and simplest solution is to perform a basic reset. Remove the battery from the charger completely and wait for exactly 1 minute. This allows the charger to reset and can resolve false defect detection. If the reset doesn't work, check the battery temperature. Lithium-ion batteries are temperature sensitive and won't charge if they're too hot or too cold. The ideal charging temperature is room temperature, around 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. If your battery is completely discharged, the Battery Management System, or BMS, might prevent charging due to detected cell imbalances. The BMS is a safety feature that protects the battery from damage, but sometimes it can be overly cautious. If these basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue, you may need to try advanced reset methods. These involve jump-starting the battery or using alternative charging techniques to bypass the BMS protection. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced reset methods can revive your Greenworks battery. The most effective technique is jump-starting using another working Greenworks 24-volt battery. Connect the positive terminal of a working battery to the positive terminal of the faulty battery. Then connect the negative terminals together. Hold this connection for just 10 to 15 seconds to provide a boost charge. After jump-starting, disconnect the batteries and try charging the previously faulty battery normally. This method often restores batteries that appear completely dead. If you don't have another Greenworks battery available, alternative reset methods can work. You can use an 18 to 20 volt tool battery from another brand such as Cobalt, or a DC power supply rated at 24 volts and 1 amp. The second alternative is using a DC power supply. Set it to 24 volts at 1 amp, then briefly connect the positive and negative leads to the corresponding battery terminals. This provides the initial charge needed to reset the battery management system. Proper storage is crucial for battery longevity. Store your Greenworks batteries indoors in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Always store them with a full charge to prevent deep discharge damage. Check your battery charge level every couple of months and recharge as needed. This prevents the battery from entering deep discharge state, which can permanently damage the cells. Under ideal, Greenworks provides a 2-year warranty on batteries for consumer and private use. If your battery fails within this period due to manufacturing defects, contact Greenworks support for replacement or repair. These advanced reset methods and proper care practices can significantly extend your battery life and resolve most charging issues. Remember to always prioritize safety when working with battery terminals and electrical connections.